this pretty sums up everything you need to know about this video. I'm gonna do it in one take and one take only. I haven't got my desktop at the moment, so I am super limited in how I can edit videos, but this just could not wait. This is the Foreo UFO. I am so happy to be having this and to be showing it off. This machine's incredible. I've been looking at it for weeks. The campaigns have been amazing. I don't know if you guys follow Foreo, but you should do. In terms of the stuff that they've actually done for it, it's been massive, and worldwide this is probably one of the leading products they've done so far, which is really cool if you're into having facials done or skincare, and that's really important for you. So I'll go over some of the technology with it. I haven't actually tried it yet apart from on my hands. It tested the effect on people, and I would just say, you know, which hand looks better, and I tried it on one hand the full 90 seconds, which is all that it takes to actually use it as a full facial. And everybody guessed the right hand, which is in fact the correct hand as well, which is awesome, and that just kind of proved how effective it was. Oh, you can see me. You're right. So I've a little bit about what's happened recently. I've moved to London. It's been insane. My life has just been completely turned upside down. I can think nothing better than after a pretty tough day, actually just come home and just use this with Miranda quote, bear with. Call it a night, which uses ginseng, olive oil, and the most gorgeous ingredients: glycerin, panthenol, olive oil, just all goodness. And I will just take the ring off, pop it on. This plate is brilliant because it will do the same T-sonics, which is transdermal sonic technology vibrations, which you're used to if you've used anything in the Foreo range, apart from the toothbrush. The ISA actually uses just sonic technology, just because it's not obviously skin, and dermal means skin. And what this does is it not only vibrates, which helps open and relax the skin, also detensing muscles. It also uses thermotechnology, which will heat and cool in the same treatment. I mean, so for example, the one for the evening, when it's removing, you know, impurities and things, it will use heat to actually open those pores and drive the product even further in. And also the coolness will tighten the skin and just give it a more kind of brighter, dewy appearance. The feel is exactly the same. This is the first time I've kind of got one out myself, apart from just trying it. It feels exactly like a Foreo machine, apart from the bits with the silicone heads, so the handle bit. This is in the mint. It also comes in the light pink, as we know, and the fuchsia, so colors similar to the rest of the lines, the toothbrushes, ISA, and the Luna 2 and minis. And yeah, it also uses light technology, so that it uses 3 different lights: red, green, and blue. Not to tell you when to drive or not, it's actually to kill bacteria, to brighten the skin and complexion. So if you have any questions regarding it, please let me know. Write a little comment below. If you have one, doubly let me know, because I also want to know any tips and tricks that you've used using it, or how your experience has gone with it. I'm going to cleanse my face tonight and then use this, and this literally is making my day. So in the next month I will try and get a video. That is when I'll get my desktop delivered to my new place, and I'll actually be able to start making content. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have an amazing day.